Porque ella es peligrosa con su movimiento de cadera. Que los hombres que agarran temblando los dejan. Ella quiere bailar por todas las costas de Guerrero. Porque sabe que son
What up, Tumbado gang?
What up, guys?
What up, Tumbado gang?
So we're on our way to pick up a toy for us.
Yeah, my buddy called me this morning and said, yo, my buddy's selling this for dirt cheap, you need to buy it. So I ended up talking to his homeboy, and then we're on our way to go pick something up. It's nice, something we've been wanting for a while.
It's so funny because a long time ago we were gonna buy it.
The same exact one.
The same exact one from our friend, and then I think at the time we just weren't like ready for it. Like I think I had just had Isla. No, Isla was a baby, I think, or something. I don't know.
We didn't end up buying it.
We didn't end up buying it at the time. No, she was. I think she was just still young, and I think that we.
No, we didn't have nowhere to park it. That's what it was. We were living in an apartment at that time.
Okay. Yeah. So.
That's why we didn't buy it. But now here we are, like 4 or 5 years later.
Not even like, that many.
Like 3 years later.
Like 2-3 years later, and we're gonna buy the same one. So.
Stay tuned. I don't want to tell y'all what it is, but we're pretty excited.
But I'm sure you guys already know since we already said a toy. Well, since I said a toy. So, but yeah, so we're excited. And it's funny because I swear, like we were just talking about it yesterday that we needed one, and then all of a sudden this happens. And guys, like seriously, when I tell you that, not that we speak stuff into existence, but sometimes honestly we do. But there's just, I feel like whenever you do good in this world and stuff like that and stay in your lane, like stuff like always just like falls in your lap, right? So that's
so just yesterday we were talking about we need to buy one, and then just today, the first thing this morning, the first message I get is my buddy.
And I was like, someone messaged us about it. But yeah.
Man, I'm like, we'll take it, bro. So we're on our way to go get it. Got the trailer in the back. We're in the new truck. It's storming. Got the kids in the back.
Got the babies. We're missing Gracie.
But stay tuned, man, because we got a whole lot more of this content coming.
And we're super excited.
Because it's something good for the company, for the brand.
Yeah. And then
and for the kids as well.
Yeah, for the kids, and also because we always get invited to these places, but we haven't really gone because we want to show up with like our own. We have gone to like with our friends or whatever, but we want to like show up with our own, you know. So stay tuned. Oh, SiempreTumbado. I want to shout out to Taco Plug. Got that shirt on. It's a comfortable shirt, guys. Go check them out.
Catch us at the spot.
Boys, there goes my new baby.
We got the razor.
It's our new baby.
You do the razor. It's gonna be a big
I'm not
one.
getting off because está lloviendo, and I'm not trying to get wet again because I already felt sick the other day
And me too.
from getting stormed on at the
too.
show.
Me too. I almost got sick.
She has allergies. She's not sick. If you wanted to. So funny story, guys. We've actually rode in this before. We went to Redneck Yacht Club with our friend that owned it, and yeah, so we know how it runs and all of that. So we're excited. And I hit my truck. Can you imagine, baby? Interview the kids. What do you guys think?
I think it's gonna be pretty fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lisa.
Boring.
Boring. Why you mad? Oh my goodness.
I think it's gonna be really fun. We're gonna drive it. It's gonna go fast.
I think I'm soaked.
Drive in the grass.
Yeah.
So I pulled out the money, and a lot of it was just small change.
Yeah.
Shit was like that. I mean, I'm not saying it was a lot of money, but I'm just saying it was small change, and you should have seen the fucking look on his face.
What do you say?
Like, what the hell? I said, trust me, man, it's all there. I'm like, if anything, I'm like, Sanders knows me, man. I'm like, it's all there, trust me. But if there's any issue, just give me a call.
What do you say?
He's like, okay. He didn't even count it.
He's gonna count it when he's in
I'm
his
saying he
truck.
didn't count it there, but
Yeah. It's like us. We kind of do that. We count it real quick in the truck.
I'll throw it at the wife here. Count it real quick.
Don't forget that there's a car accident right there.
Look at all this beautiful sunshine. We just left a cloud of blackness. Look at beautiful Florida, man. Look at them cows.
Oh, look at the sky over there. It looks gorgeous. Look over here.
So we got this thing loaded. I'm all
Too legit.
getting it all clean, girl. Got my little helper with me getting it all cleaned up. I got the winch off of there. Now you can finally tell it's a razor. Thing that I never really like the look of it. Plus, we ain't gonna be burying this thing either, so I don't think we'll need a winch. Let's get it all cleaned up, and I'll give y'all a little walk around. Alright guys, here she goes. The new Razor. It's a it's a 900, it's a Razor 900 4-seater, non-turbo. Thing runs good. It's been used, I'm not gonna lie. Originally it was my buddy, so I know where it's been, you know what I'm saying? As you can see, we got this side off. I'm already taking it apart. I'm gonna be painting it. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. What color should I paint it? Should I re-go black tan? Should I go back tan? Should I do a gloss back white? Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think I should paint it. But it's nice. It has it is a Razor. It got the adapters on there. It's running Can-Am wheels with some meaty tires. This is how it looks before, you know, this side ain't taken apart, of course. Yeah, let me know in the comments, man. What color should we paint it? I'm already getting started on it. It's man, it only has 2,000 miles on it, surprisingly. We got a hell of a deal on it, so catch us out there, man. We're excited. Sorry I'm being so quiet. It's early in the morning. I'm already working on this thing. All right, man, y'all stay tuned. All right, guys, here we are. I got the Razor doors all sanded. This one already sanded and primered. I'm gonna throw a second coat of primer on because I was real rough and I broke through. But so anyways, man, this was textured plastic. I sanded it with 220 and finished it off with 320. And I cleaned them. I pressure washed them with soap and water. Got them all degreased. I got them all sanded, ready to prime. Like I said, they're left in 320 grit. Maybe I know some of them I ran over with 400. But so we're gonna get them. Like I said, I already got them cleaned. I already got them sanded and prepped. I already got them wiped down with wax and grease remover. So right now I'm gonna hit them with a little bit of adhesion promoter, which this is that right there, adhesion promoter, made so plastic and anything can stick onto raw plastic. Man, it works great. This stuff works great. If you're gonna spray any kind of plastic, I recommend you use this stuff, any kind of raw plastic. So I'm gonna go ahead and get them sprayed with this adhesion promoter, get the primer mixed up, and then I'll check back in with y'all once they're primered. But man, they came out really nice. I got all the edges nice and sanded, all the texture out, so they're gonna get a nice gloss paint job. As you can see in this one, I already primered and sanded this one. You can see that thing's slick, man. What's going on, guys? I'm back. As you can see, I got the Razor painted. Made some good progress on it so far. So this is part 1 of the video. Stay tuned for part 2 where I get the rest of the plastics painted. And I finish putting it all together and we take it out for the first ride. So thank you again for watching this video. Man, let me get up here under this light. It's dark in here. I'm in the truck. I just got back. Yeah, so stay tuned for more progress on the Razor build. We're going to be doing a whole lot more to it. Thanks again for watching. We got a lot more stuff coming. I got a brand new camera for Christmas, but this vlog is before that. It's kind of confusing. So, but you'll see more about this camera in the next vlog. So again, thank you guys for watching. Comment down below. Subscribe. Tell your people. Cop the merch. Man, I can't tell you the last time I wore a regular shirt. All I wear is my stuff. So again, shop at www.SiempreTumbado.com. Get you some decals, get you some shirts, get you the off-road jersey. And thank you again, guys.